I'm also officially challenging Cricket Joe to an 18-hole golf match right here. On Doral Blue Monster, considered one of the greatest tournament golf courses anywhere in the world, one of the great courses of the world. It will be among the most watched sporting events in history, maybe bigger than the Ryder Cup or even the Masters. And I will even give Joe Biden 10 strokes aside. 10 strokes, that's a lot. That means 20 strokes in case you don't play golf. I will give him 10 strokes aside, and if he wins, I will give the charity of his choice, any charity that he wants, $1 million.
Donald Trump has issued a challenge to President Joe Biden for an 18-hole golf match, following their debate last month where golf was a topic of discussion. Speaking at his Doral golf course in Miami, Trump proposed the match, expressing his eagerness for another debate and highlighting their golf skills. He humorously critiqued Biden's swing and pledged $1 million to a charity of Biden's choice if he lost. Confident in his ability, Trump even suggested giving Biden a 20-stroke advantage. This will be one of the most watched sporting events in history, Trump asserted, maybe bigger than the Ryder Cup or even the Masters. However, he expressed doubt that Biden would accept, saying, "I would bet he won't, because he's all talk." Biden's team quickly dismissed the challenge, stating, "Joe Biden doesn't have time for Donald Trump's bizarre antics. He's busy leading America and defending the free world." Donald Trump is a liar, a convict, and a fraud only out for himself, par for the course.